Hey there, welcome to another demo of ActiveMerge. In this video, I want to show you how to mail merge Excel data with a PowerPoint template. So ActiveMerge is perfect for this, and we just released a new certificate generation tool that's specifically made for this type of job. So I'm already in ActiveMerge. I'm here in the certificate generation tool, and I already have a template and sample data to start with. This is really easy, and I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm going to click upload and select my new template. And as you can see, I only have a couple of placeholders. I have name, achievement, the date, and the ID. Most of our users don't need much, but the tool can handle much more complex data sets. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to upload my Excel data that I want to merge with. And this is a preview of the data that I have in the file. I can sort, I can search for certain fields. And what's cool about this is if I want, I can select one or just a few of the rows from this data, and only those rows will be processed. So that data will be used to generate the new certificates. I'm going to click continue. The placeholders are already set up automatically. The tool does this via our AI placeholder matching tool. And now I can give some name and date and maybe ID. So I can even preview the first certificate. Okay, all the data is in place and it looks great. I'm going to close, and we can start the process to generate all the certificates. Depending on the number of rows I have, it might take a few moments or more. I'm gonna download the file. And here you go. That's it. So to mail merge Excel with PowerPoint is not hard if you have the right tool, and I think ActiveMerge is perfect for this. Give it a try at activemerge.com. Thank you, and see you next time. Cheers.